No pedestrians. Still no pedestrians. We're going through the park. Stay
Slow
70 right now. Light traffic, no pedestrians.
Crash! Send rescue!
At first, this looks like a normal police pursuit. Officers are calling out road conditions, checking for pedestrians, and trying to keep the chase under control. But within seconds, everything changes. The vehicle they are following is believed to be stolen, and the driver is already making dangerous moves through city streets. What starts as a traffic alert quickly turns into a reckless escape attempt. The suspect is not slowing down, not pulling over, and not showing any sign that he plans to surrender. For officers, the biggest concern is no longer just catching him, it is stopping him before someone in the neighborhood gets seriously hurt.
On the f***ing ground! Get on the f***ing ground now!
Go south on 7-6. Copy. Anyone hear me?
Yeah, we're
Gas station shell pursuit. And we're gonna go west on Lincoln. North on 7-7 from Lincoln. Pedestrians are medium. We're gonna go. Passenger is bailing out. Black male, orange, 7-8 and Grant. Stay there. Black male, no shirt. Passenger, orange pants, 7-8 Grant. He's staying there right now. Going north on 7-7. And we're gonna go west on Beecher from 7-7.
As the pursuit continues, one passenger suddenly jumps out of the vehicle and stays behind. But the driver does not stop. Instead, he keeps pushing forward, cutting through residential streets while officers try to stay close enough to track him. At this point, police are constantly reporting speed, direction, traffic, and pedestrian conditions because every turn raises the risk. The suspect drives through yards, onto sidewalks, and past homes where people could easily be walking outside. This is the moment the chase becomes more than just a stolen vehicle stop. It becomes a public safety threat, with officers trying to end it before the driver makes one wrong move.
North on 7-8 from Beecher. Oh, motherfucker, move!
Pedestrians at this point, speeds are about 45.
Chasing for a stolen vehicle and might be going through yards at westbound 7 on Rogers from 7-8 on the sidewalk. No pedestrians. Black male. South on 7-9 from Rogers. No pedestrians. Going about 40. Went through a bunch of yards. Speed's about 45.
They went south on 7-8. Good go. Gonna go back westbound on Lincoln.
Hold
on, Lincoln from, that was what I was looking at, 26. 60 went south on here. Here's an edge. Going back west on here. Jump in, get behind him. You got it?
I'll take out, calling out now. There's another spot in front of me. We're going to be going south on 2 from, traffic light, pedestrians light. Once again, stolen vehicle. Come up to the dead end on a 2 by McCarty.
Hold on. Robert Charles. We're going to have to bail here. He's going east of the park. Stick with him.
Yep. Calling out, going south through McCarty Park on the path as of right now. No pedestrians. Still no pedestrians. We're going through the park. I'll let you know if there's any pedestrians. None of.
The driver's luck finally runs out. After swerving through streets, cutting across a park path, and reaching dangerous speeds near traffic, the stolen vehicle crashes. Officers immediately call for rescue because the impact could involve injuries. But the chase still is not over. One person runs from the crash scene, forcing officers to leave their vehicles and continue the pursuit on foot. The suspect tries to escape through yards and near a creek, but officers keep eyes on him and close the distance fast. This is where the entire situation shifts from a vehicle pursuit to a foot chase, and police are now seconds away from taking him into custody.
As of right now, no pedestrians. It's going to be heading out onto Beloit. Going to go east on Beloit. Probably wrong lanes here.
Try and cross over, get into the eastbound lanes.
And he's getting back in, going south from Beloit on to Honey Creek. South on Honey Creek, going to be coming up to 7-6. Speeds of probably 60 to 70 right now. Light traffic, no pedestrians.
Crash! Send rescue!
Crash, Honey Creek.
Run it! You got one? Yeah, one running.
Right here. He's in the yard. He's still going east. He's still going east. Ran across the creek up into. Get on the ground! In the creek, in Honey Creek. On the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground now! On the fucking ground! Back north from the bank. East now. On the fucking ground! He went back in here! Back in here! Stop! Stop, police! Stop, police! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! He's coming back west! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 26, I got him behind the house here! Behind the house! I got him! 7-4, get the address! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
After the foot chase, officers finally get the suspect on the ground and into custody. He appears injured from the crash, and police quickly call for medical help. But even after being caught, he is not ready to cooperate. Instead of giving clear answers, he immediately starts denying that he was driving. Officers know someone ran from the crashed vehicle, and they are now trying to secure him, check for weapons, and get basic information. The situation is tense because he keeps moving, reaching, and talking over commands. For police, the priority is simple: control the scene, get medical aid moving, and find out exactly who they have arrested.
Yes, sir. Go get the address. Hands behind your back! 26, I got one. Hands behind your back. You got my hand, sir? No, we'll get an ambulance for you. Man, stupid. You got anything illegal on you? Is this the only one? That's the one I saw bail in my car. My cousin Randall. Right here. Got him in custody. Stop reaching. Okay. Stop reaching. We'll get you an ambulance, okay? No, you're gonna walk up to the front yard. You wanna help on the other side here, bud? Pull up the fence.
I got it. Small passenger.
Hold on.
Hey, I didn't.
Yep, right in here. I lost sight of him coming around.
Still in the clean vehicle.
Get into a rescue here. All right, you can have a seat on the curb, young man.
20 squads. We have the driver at the crash.
Now the suspect tries a different strategy. He claims he was not driving, says he wants a lawyer, and refuses to give his name. But officers explain that identifying him is not the same as asking for a statement about the crime. They need his information for the arrest, for the report, and for the medical team treating his injuries. Still, he continues to push back, repeating that he wants to remain silent. This creates a strange standoff right on the curb. Police are trying to get basic identification, while the suspect keeps avoiding even the simplest questions. And the longer he refuses, the more suspicious the situation becomes.
Driving, sir. I was trying to go home to South Milwaukee. I just bailed out. He left me. He's dark-skinned. Why are you taking your pants off?
You have a rescue coming to 7420 Bennett.
Will do now.
Get that black male laceration in the face. He's the guy that was running from the car. Hey, man, what's your name? The fire department's gonna need to know it.
Is the gas B?
Yeah, man, we got an ambulance coming on you. You got a split on your forehead, okay? Whatever happened, okay? You got a cut on your knee.
He left me. I was trying to go home, sir.
I'm not worried about that now. I need to identify you.
I was trying to go home. I want to talk to my lawyer.
No, that doesn't work. We need to identify you.
Remain silent.
You don't get to remain silent when we ask you your information.
I'm a minor.
That's fine. We still need to identify you, okay? You don't have to say anything else, okay? We still need to identify you, man. That's fine. I don't care about that. We need to know who you are for the fire department, okay? Do you understand that? We'll talk to you about everything else. If you don't want to make a statement, that's fine. Okay, but you rubbing your cut open, that's just going to continue to make it bleed. We need to know who you are, sir. You have to at least identify yourself. If you don't want to say anything else, that's fine. You're under arrest right now.
I wasn't driving.
I don't care. It's neither here nor there, sir. We need to identify you, and you're still in custody, okay? So you need to tell me your name, your first name, your middle name. You all right, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm alright.
All right.
They tell him to drop me off for 2 hours now.
What's that?
They tell him to drop me off for 2 hours now.
Who is that guy? Do you know him? Or
Don't know him.
You got any weapons on you, man? No. You don't mind if I check? Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah, so.
All right, you want to grab your ID out?
Yeah, no ID.
No ID? Okay.
Yeah,
What's going on with him?
To my mama, like she'll tell you I've been at house 24/7. He just got us there not too long ago. It was crazy. And for a whole 2 hours straight, I've been telling him, let me out. He's in the police car right there. Let me out. He wait till we get right here for me to actually get out. He told me wait right here. Walked over here. This where we at now.
All right, what do you know him by?
I don't know about by
What's his nickname? What's it go by?
Nothing. We had a park and get in the car with him. He got locked up not too long ago. You know, I'm just trying to tell him, like, can't be doing this. He pull off. My first time getting out.
While one group of officers deals with the injured suspect, another unit speaks with the passenger who jumped out earlier. His story is careful. He claims he barely knows the driver and says he had been asking to get out of the car for hours. He tries to separate himself from the chase, telling officers he only wanted to go home and was not part of what happened. But his answers leave questions. He says he does not know the driver's name, yet later, police will learn there is more history between them than he first admits. For now, officers have two different people giving incomplete stories about the same stolen vehicle.
I wasn't driving.
Sir, you need to identify yourself.
I wasn't driving.
It doesn't matter if you're a passenger or a driver. You're still under arrest. You're still under arrest. Stop reaching in your waistband. Stop. You want me to check him? You want me to check him more?
I'm hurt. I don't have anything.
Sir, you need to identify
I
yourself.
don't have anything.
Okay, doesn't matter if you're the driver or the passenger.
What's going on?
I need help.
Are you okay, ma'am? I'll come talk to you in a couple minutes.
Okay.
I don't care if you got warrants. I don't care if you have papers. And why can't you tell me your name?
Bond.
Huh?
I'm on bond. I just got out. He was taking me home.
So you got an open case? Okay, so then you should be able to tell me your name.
No.
Okay, well then that's another charge.
No, I remain silent. I want to talk to my lawyer.
No, you still need to
I
identify
can't
yourself.
even open my eyes.
That's fine, sir. Okay?
Turn your body cameras on.
It's on already.
I can't see. I was off of melatonin.
Oh, okay.
I'm off melatonin.
You guys okay?
Yeah, where's, what car did he crash into? This one?
No, that one over there.
120, 115 Junior. You'll be riding the ambulance with the offender to the hospital.
Because the suspect refuses to identify himself, officers use a fingerprint scanner to confirm who he is before he is taken to the hospital. Once that part is handled, the investigation moves to the passenger at the station. And this is where his story starts to change. Under questioning, he admits he knew the vehicle was stolen. He says the broken window and damaged ignition made it. That admission is important because it places him inside a stolen vehicle with knowledge of what it was. Officers also confront him about knowing the driver better than he originally claimed.
Identify yourself. You don't get to just remain silent.
My lawyer.
No, it doesn't work like that, man. We're not asking you accusatory questions. We need to identify you for our investigation and the fire department's case.
32, I'm on Grant. Lawyer.
No, it doesn't matter. You're still gonna go to jail. We still need to identify you, okay?
See you in jail.
What?
I'm in jail.
You look like your concussion is doing pretty bad.
You got dumped off right over here, right off, he said, you know.
And you stay here, right?
Yeah, I'm waiting on my mama. Yeah,
Okay.
you know, I ain't.
I'm out with passenger. Do we want him for anything? He's super cool. Okay, sounds good. All right.
I'm for the guy, you know, ladies. You know, like 80K, 100K. You know, I get
Really?
Yeah, 50K.
That's a lot. And they're twerk songs?
Yeah, twerk
Like-
songs. Yeah, like
He likes to twerk. He'll
You like to twerk?
Yeah. Not when I'm working, though. I do it when I'm not
I have to
working.
let you listen to a couple
Yeah.
songs.
All right, let's go ahead and put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest for this right now, okay? You got a PRable warrant with us. I got to take you in. I got to take care of that, okay? All right. You know what for? It's for curfew violation of all things.
Curfew.
Oh,
Come on.
Chariot is here, sir.
Yeah, that's 32. What do you want to do?
What?
I told him whatever.
Okay.
And the guy said, shut the police is behind us.
He's got to go to the hospital, so may as well get the cot.
He told me.
You have an ID on him?
No, he's refusing to identify. Do you have better luck? Good.
Give me stretcher.
I might go get the fast ID real quick because he's refusing to identify.
Yeah.
Alright, sir, we need your finger.
Oh,
Car you rent?
No, I don't know a job, sir. I'm 19. I don't know a job.
Yeah, but you don't know what.
I don't know my.
You don't remember what car you were in, though? You remember what color it was?
No, he ain't have the right car. At the place, I was telling him the place for the window. He didn't even know.
What do you say about the window?
Can you fix this window? Like bro. This is bro. The ignition is not in the car. Like,
Okay.
feel me like this is a.
So you assumed it was stolen based on the window being broken and the steering column being peeled?
I knew it was stolen.
You knew it was stolen?
Yeah, I knew it was stolen, bro.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't bullshit.
Did he say it was stolen?
You know, you telling them somebody, his mom car, somebody bust our window. You know, you telling the people at the
It was his mom's car?
Yeah.
What do you know him by? What's his nickname?
I don't know her name. I don't know her.
You never knew a name on him?
Never knew her name. Like that's what I'm saying.
Alright, come on, man. I just talked to your mom upstairs.
He's a Stoley boy.
Okay, I get it, he's a Stoley boy, but what does he go by?
I don't really know.
What's his real name? Come on, you know. I just talked to your mom. She already knows his name.
That's not. I wouldn't bullshit you.
I think you are right now, though, man. She says you guys went to high school at Washington High School. I already know his name, man.
No, I heard the name in the car.
What was the name you heard in the car?
Last name, first named Taram.
Karam?
Yeah.
What does he go by though? How do you know him?
I don't know the name.
I already know the answer to this question, man. Come on.
I'm already it's people that I talk to on a daily basis, people that just shake hands, people that just
You know him as TJ, don't you?
we see each other.
You know him as TJ, don't you?
TJ, Mike TJ.
Is that what he goes by?
I really TJ. That's his name. Yeah, I really don't know. TJ.
Yeah, that's what you call him, right?
No, I don't call him that at all.
What do you call him? Brother?
No, nothing. Not just my boy.
My boy.
Yeah, my boy. Like,
So I appreciate your cooperation. I am not going to lie to you in one way, shape, or form. We're going to refer a charge down for operating without motor vehicle consent passenger down to the DA's office. What they decide to do with it, that's up to them. Okay. I've seen a lot worse and not get charged, and I've seen a lot less get charged. So you knew the car was stolen. You shouldn't have been in there. You had plenty of opportunity to get out before the pursuit started, right?
no.
So
It was no way.
there's no way.
No. Like
What about when he pulled up at all those places?
Most definitely, like, I am like, I don't. Like,
So that's what I'm saying. I hope you learned something,
Yeah,
right? Because if you know the car's stolen, you shouldn't get into it,
Yeah.
right? And the second you see that broken window, you shouldn't believe his BS story, right? Because now he's getting you hammed up. Okay.
By the end of the investigation, the driver faces serious consequences for turning a stolen vehicle stop into a dangerous chase. The pursuit goes through residential streets, over sidewalks, through a park, and ends only after a crash and a foot chase. The passenger avoids the worst of the case, but officers still question why he stayed in a car he admitted he knew was stolen. The driver is later found guilty of fleeing, reckless endangerment, and bail jumping, while the remaining charges are dismissed. He is ultimately sentenced to prison, followed by extended supervision. What began as an alert for a stolen Kia ended as a full criminal case.